Many people are talking about sous vide, but what is it? Sous vide is a French term which translates as under vacuum. The term is applied to a process that cooks food sealed in a vacuum pouch. Made possible by advances in plastics in the 1960s, the process became popular with Michelin Star Chefs in France in the 1970s. Ed Miniat has been using this method for cooking whole muscle proteins since the 1980s. Two factors make the sous vide cooking process unique. First, the vacuum packaging seals all the flavors and cooking juices of the ingredients inside. Second, the packaging material allows efficient heat transfer to the ingredients from a precisely regulated water bath. Miniat uses these same techniques on a commercial scale, sealing foods in vacuum packaging and cooking in precisely controlled water baths. The results? Perfectly cooked meat and poultry, customized for your menu.